Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Aaron here with RHR Swag today. You know, I'm kind of sick of the interior of my truck. It's gray, I want something different. And I got like 20 minutes. So today, we have FIA seat covers. So FIA seat covers are the best soft touch simulated seat cover for your pickup truck or SUV on the market. They're a custom fit for your vehicle, which means they're not going to have any weird fitment issues inside of it. Vehicle specific, and is available for the front and rear options. They install with no tools. Upgrade your interior with FIA's leatherlite seat covers. They're padded for comfort and water repellent. They also feature a UV design, which means they're going to look great for years to come. Now, FIA's leatherlite seat covers are available in 4 different color options, are a custom fit for each year and model for pickup, truck, or SUV. Choose from the front and rear seats, and it even includes the headrest. So your whole interior is going to have a complete transformation. Okay, FIA seat covers are in. Here we are unboxing our new leatherlite FIA seat covers. Nothing too much going on inside. Just pull out your seat covers and time to get started. First step, you really want to make sure you are matching the correct seat cover with the corresponding seat. It's pretty easy to mix them up like we are doing right here. Easy step, just take your time, make sure you're matching everything up correctly.
Round 2. Well, at least now we know they're not interchangeable.
Seat covers simply slide over your original seats. And from here, you can start working the clip straps through the bottom of the seat, pull out through the back, and then start connecting to the straps from the top of the seat. It works best to move your cover as you're tightening your straps. Just helps to not run into any binding or anything like that. And then once your cover is in its ideal location, you can Velcro strap the corners down. Moving on to the next seat, all the covers will install essentially the same way, wrapping around the existing OE factory seat and running the clips through the bottom and over the top, connecting around the back of the seat. And here, as you can see, our third seat belt is not making its way over the seat cover. It's definitely the thing you want to watch out for so you don't have to take that cover off and have to redo that. Some of your clips may be detached from the straps.
Tight like a tiger. Read that in the instructions. Tight like a tiger. Do you love gold? I love gold! The covers might take a little bit of working when they first come out of the box. They'll be packaged for a little bit of time, might have little creases in them, but over time those will come out nicely. And a warm workspace really helps loosen these covers up. If you just get them shipped to you, want to give them time to warm up if you're in anywhere cold. And taking your time to ensure you have an optimum fit is just going to save you time down the road so you're not having to stop and readjust them down the line. Snacks for later. Or now. Gotta keep the blood sugar up. Don't want to get sleepy during your install. Snacks!
Moving along, just making sure we're getting our factory seatbelts pulled through. All the corners are fitting snug. And onto one of the last parts of our back seat here.
Shot of that. What do we have over here? And it does treasures. Ooh. New hat.
Just don't stretch over my head. I thought these were supposed to be hats. The seat covers fit fine, but this freaking mask you sent terrible. Didn't fit at all.
The headrests are pretty simple. They simply slide over your existing factory headrests. It might take a little bit of working to contour over the corners and everything, and then they just simply Velcro on the very bottom. Ooh, looks like Joe spot his mistake here. Oh, geez.
Today we're going to show you how to convert your pickup to a two-seater in the back.
All you gotta do is hide the third seat belt. You're golden. Install done. Install done. Burrito time.
There we go. Redo in the back. Don't forget that third seatbelt, folks. Alright, back's looking real nice. Time to move towards the front.
Front time.
Front seat's packed almost the exact same way as the back.
That's the best part. That's your so it's the models with the side airbags that come out. It's a little flap that like pops opens. That way you still have like the ability to maintain that. So it's just like a little extra safety thing.
I'm guessing this would be the...
And front seat covers go on exactly the same way as the rear. Sliding over the seat, running your straps through the creases of the seat, meeting in the back, and adjusting to optimum fitment.
Pop back seats out. Get your air mattress in here. With a mini camper. You're not gonna stretch out while you sleep. But you do it.
No, it's just basically pulling the connector, the whole harness out of the hole.
Oh, okay. So you're getting it out, and then you can run all your.
Pretty good.
Like them?
Yeah. Now we can do some headrest. I don't like this though.
Adjusting for perfect fit. And slide your headrest covers on, Velcro on bottom, and snap back into place.
Okay guys, so upon initial installation, the only thing we really notice on the seat covers, you're going to need to adjust them a little bit so they fit to your factory seats and everything too. It does have like a minor crease in the fabric itself, which can only come from, you know, months of being inside of a tiny box folded up and everything. So over time, you know, that's going to come out. Once you start using these seat covers, you start getting some wear into them. You're going to really enjoy them. You're going to love how they feel. You know, we went from a cloth interior to essentially a leather interior. I mean, one thing you really notice is you actually get held in the seats really nice. They feel like they're not sliding around or anything, which is really not what you want your brand new seat covers to be doing. So we don't really have much to say besides we love them. Going to be nice to see how they hold up over time. Looks like the quality control is really nice on these seats themselves. So I don't really think there's going to be a whole lot of bad to say. And again, guys, thanks for stopping by, checking out this install today. And again, RHR Swag, like, follow, subscribe. Stop by rhrswag.com for any of your truck needs if you want to pick up a pair of these FIA seat covers for yourself. All right, and as always, rhrswag.com.